السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My student of Prep 1. النهاردة إن شاء الله بإذن الله هناخد ريفيجن مع بعض، ريفيجن of اكتوبر. اوكي، هناخد مع بعض ريفيجن على الجبرا، معانا يونت 1 كلها ومعانا lesson 1 of unit 2. اوكي، let's start the choice of correct answer. طبعا احنا عارفين ال choice كمان هنحل مع بعض step by step. اوكي، question number 1. Which one of the following ratio is proportional to the ratio 10/12? The first step here we put in the simplest form 10/12. 10/12, that's the timetable of 2. We divide it by 2. Okay, 10 divided by 2 equal 5, and 12 divided 2 equals 6. This is the simplest form of 10/12 of this ratio. Okay, to give an answer, we make simplest form all of this ratio. Okay, 10/12/10. That means 6/5. Why? Because we divided over 2. And because what? 10/12 not equal 12/10. Okay, another one. 2/6. Put in the simplest form by dividing by 2. 2 dividing by 2 equal 1, and 6 divided by 2 equal 3. The other one, 5 divided by 4, it's a simplest form. Okay, and then equal 1 and 1/4. 5 هنا 15/18. 15/18. Okay, that's a timetable of what? The timetable of 3. To put in the simplest form, we divided this ratio, divided by what? By 3. 15 divided 3 equal 5, and 18 divided by 3 equal what? 6. That's the same ratio. Okay, that means the proportional هنا 10/12 equal 15/18. That 10/12, this ratio equal 15/18 equal the simplest form 5/6. The definition of the proportional, okay, that's what? Equal of 2 ratio or more than this. Okay, the next question. If the length on the drawing is 8 cm, then length of drawing 8 cm, and the real length, يبقى length of reality equal what? 320 kilometer. Okay, what is the scale drawing? First, we write the rule of the scale drawing. The rule of the scale drawing told me the scale drawing equal what? The length of drawing divided the length of reel. Okay, then the scale of drawing equal what? The length of drawing equal 8 cm, and the length of reel equal what? 320 kilometer. Okay, this is the drawing scale, but we should to convert what? Convert the unit. Here centimeter and here kilometer. Okay, but equal 8. To convert from centimeter to kilometer, just 1 kilometer. Okay, equal 100,000 centimeter. 320 times by 100 and 1000. Put in your calculator, it will be 1, because 8 divided 8 equal 1. 32 divided 8 equal what? 4. And how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. About 4 million. Then the drawing scale. Equal 1 to 4 million. This is the answer. The next question, number 3. A triangle has sides in the ratio 6 to 5 to 4. If its perimeter is 30 centimeter, what is the length of the shortest side? Okay. Then we have 3 ratio of 3 sides. Okay. Then first, right, like this. First side to second, to third. Okay. The perimeter of any triangle equal what? The sum of its sides. And then we told first, second, to third, to what? To sum. In the first step, we write what? The ratio. The first one is 6 to 5 to 4. The sum of this ratio, 6 plus 5 equal 11. 11 plus 4 equal what? 15. Okay? And the real sum is the perimeter equal what? 30. Then what? We need the shortest side. Where is the shortest side? The shortest side here is the third, which what? Have the leastest ratio. اللي أقل ratio عندي هو ده shortest side. Okay. طب the longest side is the first one because the ratio is the greatest one. Okay. يبقى then the shortest side equal. We make scissors. 330 times 4 divided by 15. يبقى 30 times 4 divided by 15. And put in your calculator. But 30 divided 50 equal what? 2. And 2 times 4 equal 8 centimeter. But then the shortest side equal what? 8 centimeter. The important information here that the perimeter was the sum of this side. Okay? The second one. Question number 4. If the price of paint increased from 400 paints. Question number 4. The price of pens increased from 400 pounds, okay, to 480 pounds. It's the percentage. What's the percentage of increase? Any question in percentage, just increased, discount, we make like this. We need increased, before increased, and after increased. Okay. Before increased, 400. And after increase 480. Then the value of increased here are 80. First, we write the number. The second step, we write the percentage. Okay. Before any increase or before any discount, we write 100 percentage. That always be 100 percentage before any increase or before any discount. Okay. We need what? The percentage of what? Of increase. Make scissors like this. Times and make divided. Okay. And the percentage. The percentage of increased equal 100 without writing the percentage sign. Okay, 100 times 80 divided by 400. Put in your calculator, but here we make like this: 0 with 0 and 0 with 0, cross cross. And 8 divided by 4 equal what? 2. Then the percentage equal 20, and don't forget to put what? The percentage sign. Okay, يبقى the percentage of increase equal what? 20 percentage. Okay, we put before and after any operation in percentage, like increased, like discount. Okay, like this. Question number 5. The result of adding of two expressions, 5b negative 3a and 5a negative 3b. Before to make adding, first we make what? We arrange the terms. Okay, here we start with b then a, and here we start with a then b. The first thing we make what? We make the arrange of this like this. Number 1, and not forget the sign. It's like negative 3a 5 positive 5b. Adding by what? 5a negative 3b. We make adding or subtraction like terms which have the same variable and different number. Okay, but we make add or subtraction، يعني احنا بنعمل plus أو minus لازم تكون ما بين like terms، يعني لازم تكون ما بين حدود متشابهة. يعني ايه؟ يعني have the same variable. هنا a with a, b with b. Okay, negative 3 plus 5 يبقى make 5 negative 3 it equal what? 2, positive 2a. Why? Different sign, one of them negative and one of them positive. We make what? We make subtraction and put the sign of the greatest number, which هنا the greatest number is what? Is 5. Okay, يبقى negative 3 plus 5a equal 5 minus 3 equal 2, and positive equals 5 is the greatest number here, is a positive number. Okay, we take b, positive b and negative 3, different sign. Okay, يبقى make what? هنا we make subtraction. 5 minus 3 equal 2, and the greatest number is positive, which is 5. Make plus and put just 1p. Then we choose number b, 2a plus 2b. Okay, don't forget to arrange first. ليه؟ علشان أنا بعمل plus or adding or subtraction لازم تكون عندي like terms. يبقى A with A, B with B. ما ينفعش أبدا أعمل A with B. Okay. Number 6. If 8 equal 4 bracket x negative 2, what is the value of 2x? Okay. Value of what? 2x. Okay. Here is an equation. 8 equal 4 bracket x negative 2. To give here 2x, we should find first the value of what? The value of x from what? From this equation. Okay. Type. We arrange the equation first from left to right. We write like this: 4x negative 2 equal 8. 4 with the bracket, that means here is times. 4 bracket, that mean here is a times. We make what? We make distributive to x and distributive to what? To 2. Then 4 times x equal 4x. 4 times 2 equal what? 8. Then the bracket equal 4x negative 8 equal what? 8. Again, to solve this equation, okay, first we make distributive of multiplication. 4 times x and 4 then times what? 2. يبقى هنا 4 times x equal what? 4x. 4 times negative 2, negative 8 equal what? 8. Then we take this equation here, 4x negative 8 equal 8. To solve this equation, we use what? We use the inverse of operation. Inverse of operation, let's remember with me, the inverse of positive is negative. The inverse of negative is positive. Times the inverse is divided. Divided inverse which is times. Inverse operations يعني العمليات العكسية عشان أقدر أجيب ال value of x أو ال value of the any variable in this equation. Okay. 4x. First we take negative 8 here by positive. 4x equal 8 plus 8. 4x equal 16 again. To give here the x or the value of x, okay, we make the inverse of operation. Negative 8 become positive 8 and we have another 8 here. The 8 plus 8 equals 16. 4x, what the meaning of 4x? 4x, that means 4 times x. طب what's the inverse operation of the multiplication? Is the division. يعني ايه العملية العكسية للضرب؟ القسمة. Like what? هنا x equal 16 divided by 4. From times we make it divided. Then x equal 4. Don't forget, he don't need the value of x. He needs the value of 2x. The value of just 1x equal 4. Then the value of 2x equal what? 2 times, we take x from here and put what? And put 4. equal what? 8. Then the value of 2x equal what? Equal 8. Question number 2. Find the mathematical expression that represent the parameter of the opposite rectangle in its simplest form, and then find the numerical value of parameter when y equal 2 and x equal 4. We have what? Mathematical expression of what? Of the parameter. The first one, we put the rule of the parameter of the rectangle. The parameter of rectangle equal what? 2 times length plus width. Okay. Here, length equal to x plus 1 centimeter and width equal 3y centimeter. Then the parameter equal to big bracket 2x plus 1. This what? The length plus the width. The width equal what? 3y. Okay. Here we have what? We have 2 and just bracket. That means we have what here? We have times. Okay. To make times, we make the distributive of multiplication. Distributive of multiplication like this: 2 times 2x, and distributive multiplication 2 times by 1 and 2 times by what? By 3y. Distributive of multiplication 2 times 2 equal 4x. 2 times y, 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 times 3y equal 6y. But then the expression of the mathematical expression of the parameter equal what? 2x, 4x plus 2 plus 6y. Okay, arrange the expression to be like this. Parameter equal 4x plus 6y. First we put what? The terms or the variable x and y, and then we put what? The constant. Okay, that's what? The mathematical expression of the what? Of the parameter, and just in the simplest form. Then the expression, mathematical expression of parameter equal 4x plus 6y plus 2. The second problem, we need to find the numerical value of the parameter. Okay, like this. The value of x equal 4 and the value of y equal what? Equal 2. Then we put x equal what? 4 and y equal what? 2. The parameter equal 4x, that means 4 times x, that means 4 times 4, because the value of x here equal what? Equal 4. Then 4 times 4 plus 6 times 2 plus 2. 4 times 4 equal what? 16 plus 6 times 2 equal what? 12 plus 2. Okay, 6 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2 equal 8, 8 plus 2 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2 plus 1 equal 3. Then the numerical value of the parameter equal what? 30 centimeter. Again, here in this rectangle, the length equal what? The length equals the expression of 2x plus 1, and the width equal what? 3y. To make here the mathematical expression that represents the parameter, first we put what? the rule of the perimeter. Okay, يبقى perimeter equal 2 times length plus width. 2 bracket length plus width. Length equal what? The expression of 2x plus 1. And the width equal what? 3y. Then make what? Distributive the multiplication. 2 times the all expression in this bracket. 2 times 2x and 2 times y and 2 times 3y. 2 times 2x equal 4x. 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 times 3y equal 6y. Then the mathematical expression of this perimeter equal what? 4x plus 6y plus 2. Then the second one here, he needs the value of the perimeter of the numerical value, which is when is this x equal 4 and y equal 2. Then here we put what? We put the perimeter 4x plus 6y plus 2, and then we put x value of 4 and y value of what? Of 2. 4x that mean times 6y, that mean here is times 4 times 4 equal 16, and here 6 times 2 equal 12, and plus the constant equal or plus 2. 16 plus 12 plus 2 equal 13. Then the perimeter equals 30 centimeter. The second one. Here we back to the question of the choice, the correct answer from the following. Here we put terms and what? And the expression. Which one of the following is like terms? My lovely students, we told like terms when what? When the variable are equal. Okay? Don't depend it on what? On the number, but depend it in what? The variable. Like this. For example, like terms. Two y, negative 3y, 5x, 1 over 2x. Here. Like terms, dependent on what? On variable. Variable like what? Like x, y, z. Okay? Not dependent at all about numbers. They're not dependent. Not dependent on what? On numbers. Okay? Let's take here. From the following choices, we show which like terms. Okay? 2y, negative 2y power 2. Wrong, because here 2y and here 2y power 2. 2y power 2 xy power 2. طبعا x power 2 y power 2 not alike terms because different variable. 2y and negative 3y, that's a like term, y and y, and not dependent about the number, don't care about it. Okay, 5 without any variable and y, not a like terms. يبقى here like terms is what? 2y and negative 3y. The next one. Question number 2. If 8 over x plus 4 equal 3 over 9, that's what? 2 equal proportional, okay, or ratio. What is the value of x? We need the value of x, okay. In any proportional, we called what? The mean, the product of the mean equal the product of the x3, okay. Here, 8 over x plus 4 equal what? 3 over 9. Okay. Here x plus 4 equal 9 times 8 divided by 3. 9 times 8 divided by 3. Put in your calculator, but 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and 3 times 8 equal what? 24. That means x plus 4 equal 24. That's the equation. Make the inverse of operation. What's the inverse of adding? Subtraction. X equal 24 minus 4. Then equal x equal what? X equal 20. Another solution. We thought what? The main equals x3. That's why we make this 8 over x plus 4, 3 over 9. That means 3 times x plus 4 in this proportional or any proportion we took what? The main equal what? The extreme. Our product of main equals the product of the extreme. That means 3 times x plus 4 equal 9 times 8 times 9. Okay, that times make the inverse operation, then x plus 4 equal 8 times 9 divided by 3. Then x plus 4 equal what? 24. Then x equal 20. But this way more easier than this. Okay, the next one. The opposite diagram shows a skull of a map. If the distance between two cities on this map is 3.5 centimeters, what is the real distance between them? 75 kilometers or 90 kilometers, 105 kilometers, 120 kilometers. Okay, first here 0 to what? To 30. From 30 to what? To 60. From 60 to 90. From 90 to 120. From 120 to 150. Then the distance between them for 1 centimeter, 30 kilometers. Here 30 and 30 and 30 and 30 kilometers. Then the skull then the skull of map equal what? For 1 centimeter have what? 30 kilometers in the map. Okay, this what? This length of drawing and this length of reality. Again here, length of drawing by centimeter. Okay, length of real by what here? Kilometer. From 1 centimeter, from the diagram, from 1 centimeter, what? 30 centimeter. Sorry, 30 kilometer. Okay, then the distance between two cities on the map, on this map, that means the length of drawing equal what? 3.5. يبقى هنا 3.5 centimeter. What's the real distance between them? Okay, the real distance between them, we make what? Times here, then divided, and don't forget this kilometer, and this is centimeter. But then the drawing scale equal what? Here, the length of the real length equal 3.5 times 30 divided by 1 equal 105 kilometer. Okay, because from the first here from kilometer, then here by what? By kilometer. Okay, but then the result is 105 kilometer from the first. Here from the opposite diagram, opposite any diagram, we make the distance here from 1 centimeter have what? هنا 30 kilometer. ده اسمه ايه؟ السكال بتاعي. Scale of drawing. Okay. And here the distance between two cities on the map or any map equals 3.5 centimeter. Then the drawing of the length of drawing is what? 3.5. Then 3.5 times 30 divided by another 1 equal 105 what? Kilometer. And don't forget the unit. Question number 4. What is the result of subtraction 8x negative 7y from 5x negative 2y? First, if we make subtracting, the terms after from is come first. لما تيجي تعمل subtracting the after from يعني الترم اللي بيجي بعد from هو اللي هيتكتب الأول. Okay? Why? We just taking from him. احنا بناخد منه هو. Okay? Like this. like 5x 5x negative 2y, another one 8x negative 7y. Okay, to make subtracting we change all terms of the second one. يعني ايه؟ يعني هغير كل الساين اللي في السكند terms. يعني هنا بوزيتيف لا انا هخليها نيجاتيف، وهنا نيجاتيف هتبقى ايه؟ بوزيتيف. يبقى لما هاجي هعمل subtracting بعد from او after from come first. Okay, then change all the signs of the second one. هخلي كل sign positive become negative, negative become what? Positive. Then 5 positive 5x negative 5 or negative 8x make what? 8 times 5 equals 3 and put the greater number sign negative x. Positive and negative 7 minus 2 become 5 and put what? Positive y. Here we have what? Negative 3 and positive 5y. Let's take a look in the choice. The first one, negative 3x, but negative 5y. But 5y here is positive, not negative. That is wrong choice. Number 2, 3x, positive 5y. All of them positive here, but it has a sign of x negative. Wrong choice. Positive 3x, no, x is negative. Wrong. 5y negative 3x. Yes, but we make what? arrange it. This, he start with 5, it's positive, okay, and negative 3x. يبقى don't matter how to arrange it. مش مهم ترتيبها هنا عامل ازاي. المهم الساين number والvariable. هنا the same sign is positive, positive, negative and negative. The same number and 3. So here 3, 5 with 5 and x with 3, 5 with y. The same variable, the same number, the same sign. Don't matter about what the arrange. يعني هنا مش هاممني الترتيب، المهم ان انا عندي الساين والمهم ان انا عندي the same number وتكون عندي the same variable. Okay. The next one. If the price of refrigerator is 12,000 pound and the discount rate of what? 15% was applied. What is the price of refrigerator after discount? Okay, we say any question about what? About the percentage. Okay, we make after and before. Before and after. Anything discount increased, okay, but here we're talking about what? About discount. Okay, before always be 100 and percentage, okay, and here we told me 15%. Then after the discount, the value of this price will be what? Will be decreased. Then we make what? We make negative, or we make minus. 100 minus 15 equal 85%. Okay, and here 12,000 is the real price before the discount. Before the discount يبقى equal 12,000 pounds. We need what? We need the price after the discount here. To make or to give the value of the price after, we make times, then we make what? Divided. Okay? But the price after the discount equal what? 12,000 times here 85, okay, divided by 100. Okay, this make times and then we make what? We make divided. Then the price is 0, 0 and 0 with 0. Okay, then okay, put in your calculator equal 10,200 pounds. Okay, but again, any question have discount, have increased, we put 3 steps. The first step after, before, and the discount or the increased way, okay, any percentage. And have a note here, we don't put the percentage sign here. Why? Because we have percentage sign here, it's go back together. يعني مش بحط الساين بتاعت البرسنتج عندي عشان لما بيكون عندي sign in the fraction and sign under the fraction we don't put it. مش هنحطها معانا. Okay. Equal what? 10,200. The next one. Find the solution set of each of the following equations. مهم جدا. It's very important to how to solve any equation in the set. Okay. He told me here in the original number. Original number. Counting number. Integer number. Let's make a small division about the set of this number. The set of numbers, the first set, the counting number. The set of the counting number which start with 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and infinite. 1, 2, 3, okay, that's the counting number. Then we take what? The more bigger set, which is what? Which is the natural number. Natural number start with what? Start with 0. 1, 2, 3, finite. Okay. Then we take the bigger set, which is integer number. Integer number we make like that. Integer number have a 3 set, which is 0 is an integer number, and the positive integer number and negative integer number. Then the integer number have 3 set, the integer number and positive and negative integer number and 0. Okay, and right here the integer number, we always put 0 in the middle. Okay, then positive number, then negative number. Okay, and don't forget 0 is non-positive, non-negative number. It's an integer number but non-positive, non-negative. 0, non-positive number and non-negative number. The more bigger set we take it, we take what? The irrational number. Irrational numbers is all the integer number plus what? Fractions, decimal, percentage. It have all the number of integer number and decimal and what? And fraction. Then if we write it about the Venn diagram, we put here the counting number, then the natural number, then the bigger one is what? The integer number. The greatest one here is what? Is the irrational number. The counting number is the smallest one. The smallest one, we start with 1. Then the natural number, all of the counting number and increased what? 0. The integer number, all of counting number and all of natural number, but we put what? We put the negative integer number. Negative integer number, 0 and counting number. And have a note here. If we note here, the negative integer number the same of the counting number. The negative as a positive integer number is the same of the counting number. Then here, natural number with the negative number give me what? Give me the integer number. All of integer number plus fraction, decimal, okay, percentage, give me what? The rational number. That's a quick revision about the set of the number. Okay, we start with the counting number, natural number, and the integer number, and the irrational number is the biggest one. And we called belong and not belong. We make the quick revision about belong and belong. Here, find the solution set of each of the following question. The first one, number 1, 2x negative 7 equal negative 6. Okay, and not forget in what? In the irrational numbers. And all of numbers we take it of an integer number, 0, integer positive, integer negative, and fraction, decimal, and percentage. Okay, 2x negative 7 equal negative 6. we make the inverse of operation. يعني هنعمل العمليات العكسية. Okay, negative 6 become here positive 6. Then 2x equal 6x plus 7. 2x equal negative 6 plus 7 equal what? Equal 1. Then x. 2x, that mean what? That mean 2 times x. Then the inverse operation of the multiplication is what? Division. يعني هنا أنا عندي times هوديها هناك تبقى إيه؟ divided. Then the value of x equal 1 divided by 2. And don't forget to write the solution set equal 1/2 or half. And that half or belong to what? To the original number. Okay? But then any equation, let's make sure of any set, the solution set. Okay? Another one, and be focused in this one. Number 2, this equation, 3 bracket x negative 1 equal x plus 2. And this what? An integer number. Then the solution can be 0, can be positive number, can be negative. Okay? Can't be fraction, can't be decimal, can't be percentage. Okay? Let's hear. Any bracket or any number we called what here? We have a times, and we should to make what? To make distributive 3 about this bracket. Distributive like this by multiplication. 3 times 6x and 3 times 1. 3 times x equal 3x negative. 3 times 1 equal 3. And equal, the next term is the same. X plus 2. Then here we have x and we have x here. We have a problem. Okay, we have two sides, left hand side, right hand side, have x. To make and to give the value of x, we make x with x and the number with number. By what? By the inverse of operation. برضو بالعملية العكسية. هكتب هنا عندي 3x. هجيب من بقى الاكس. x positive تبقى negative x equal هنا عندي 2. اوكي مين هيروح؟ negative 3 هتبقى become what؟ 3. يبقى انا حطيت النمبرز with numbers. x with the x. 3x negative x, we have 3x. We take just 1x, become what? Become 2x. 2 plus 3 equal 5. 2x, that means 2 times x. But then x, 2 become what? Divided, then 5 divided by 2. This is the value of x. Before you write the solution set, make sure the solution, okay, belong to what? To the set you given. قبل ما تكتب السولوشن set اتأكد ان الفاليو اوف x دي موجودة عندك في المجموعة او في الست اللي عندك. طب هنا عندي الانتيجر نمبر احنا اتفقنا فيها ايه؟ 0 تمام، positive integer number, negative integer number, but we don't have fractions. Okay, that's mean ان هي اصلا مش موجودة عندي في الست. في الحالة دي هقول يبقى then the solution set أنا ما لقيتش الحل. يبقى then that's the empty set. The empty set we called what? Yes, we called phi. Okay? Or make a bracket of set without any element. But don't do this. Bracket, phi, bracket, this wrong answer. Why? Because in this bracket we put elements. احنا في البراكت ده بنحط elements العناصر. الفاي دي is a set. ما ينفعش احط set between this bracket. Okay? But just put phi or open bracket. Okay? And we love to put phi. Okay? Then we make a revision about the sum set. How the operations of something. If we have A equal 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and have B equal 3, 4, 5, and 6. We need A union B. A intersection B. A union B, that's the mean. All elements of A and all elements of B, but not repeated any element twice. Like this. All elements of A, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 in B, and just repeated. مش هكررها تاني. 5 and what? And 6. Okay. A intersection B. Intersection, that means the common element. We call them common elements, يعني عناصر مشتركة ما بينهم هما الاثنين. لكن اليونيون, all of these elements without repeated. طب common element هنا عندي who's common element is 3 and 4. It's a common element. The intersection A and B, 3 and 4. Okay. We need it to represent about what? About Venn shape. It's A and B, A and B. The first step, we put the common element in the middle. With this, the common elements here is 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And put small x right here. Okay. Then another element in A is what? Is 1 and 2. Okay. Another element of B, 5 and what? And 6. But then here is what? Is the intersection A intersection B, or the common element between A and B. But union A and B, all the elements in A and B. Okay, let's make revision about belong, not belong, subset and not subset. Here we make revision about belong, not belong, subset and not subset. Okay, first we talk belong, okay, or not belong. And the second one, subset or not subset. Okay, belong and not belong, it's between one element and set, just like one element and what? And the set. Like what? Give an example. If we have A, okay, have element 1, 2, and 3. Then 1 belong or not belong to A. 1 is an element of the set of A, then 1 belong to what? To A. Another one, 5 belong or not belong to A. 5 is not an element of what? Of the set of A, not belong. 0 belong or not belong of the counting number. Counting numbers start with what? Counting numbers start with 1. Then it didn't have 0. But then not belong. But belong and not belong between just one element and just set. بين عنصر واحد ومجموعة. طيب عندي مين؟ set and subset. Here set of A 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and set of B and set of B 2 and 3. Then B subset or not subset from A. B have what? 2 and 3, and here we have 2 and 3. then B subset from A. And we represent in what? In the Venn, it's A, and then it's B. B have what? 2 and 3. Then A, 2 and 3, 1 and 4. That means B is a subset of the greatest set, which what? A. Then subset and not subset between what? Between small set and the greater set. من مجموعة صغيرة جزء من مجموعة أكبر. Like what? The counting number is the subset of what? Of natural number. But the integer number, not subset of the natural number. Okay? Why? We call the counting number, then natural number. The greatest one is what? Integer number. Then هنا عندي irrational number. يبقى counting subset from natural, natural subset from integer, integer subset from irrational number. Counting number subset from natural number, natural number subset from what? From integer, integer subset from what? From rational number. Okay, here we take an example of the subset. Okay, write all the sets subset from A. In A equal 1, 2 and 3. To write all the subset of A, we always, or any subset, write phi, because phi is a subset from any set. Okay, and write what? The same subset. يبقى أنا لو عايز أجيب السبست from A أو all sets from A، عايز أجيب كل المجموعات الموجودة عندي جوه ال A، يبقى لازم first هكتب الفاي. Why? Because phi is a subset from any sets، يعني موجودة جوه أي مجموعة. Then we write the same sets، يعني مجموعة subset from itself، مجموعة من نفسها. Then we put all elements alone. 1 is a subset, 2 is a set, 3 is a set. Okay, then we took 2 elements. We take what? 2 elements, 1 and 2. Okay, 2 and 3. Then 1 and 3. This all sets from what? From A. How many sets? The number of sets here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. يبقى the number of sets is 8. Okay, the equality of 2 sets. We have 2 equal sets. 2 equal sets, that mean if we have 2 equal sets, that mean the element here is equal the element here, like this. 3x equal 3 and 5. That's 2 equal sets. That mean element with 3 with 3. That mean x equal what? 5. Another example. 2y equal x and 7. We have equal here. That mean all of element of the first set equal the all element of the second set. That mean y equal 7 and x equal what? Equal 2. the value of x equal 2, the value of y equal 7. Another one, x x plus 2 and 5 equal 8 y minus 2. اتفقنا two equality of sets, the element of the first set equal the second set, like this. That means x plus 2 equal 8, x plus 2 equal 8, and y minus 2 equal 5. That means we solved about the equation. هنحلها زي equation بالظبط by what? The inverse operations بالعمليات العكسية. Here we have positive 2, then x equal 8, negative 2. Then x, the value of x equal what? Equal 6. Here y, negative 2, become what? Positive 5, positive 2. Then the value of y equal what? Equal 7. That's equality of what? Of the two sets. And how to give the what? The variable, okay? Let's solve some question about diagram then, okay? We take question like this. C A B 5 7 1 2 3 4. Okay, we need what? Write the set of A, the set of B, the set of C, C intersection B, A union B, A intersection B intersection C, okay, A union B intersection C. Let's solve it. The set of A, it's all element of A. All element of the circle of A, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. The set of B equal what? All of the circle of B, 2 and 3. Okay. C, all elements of the circle 1, 2, 5, and 7. Then the element of C 1, 2, 5, and 7. Then we need C intersection B. C intersection B, we have two ways to give it. From the vel, A, C intersection with B in here. In what? In 2. We call the intersection is the common element. The common element يعني الحاجة المشتركة أو element المشترك، العنصر المشترك اللي موجود معاهم هما الاتنين. Okay. Now from here B have 2 and C have 2. Then C intersection B equal what? 2. A union B. We have to weigh from here or from here. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. We write it. We don't repeat it. يعني خلاص أنا كتبت 2 و 3 مش هكتبهم تاني. تمام؟ From here 1, 2, 3 and what? And 4. Because B is a part or a subset of what? Of the set of A. Okay. Intersection A, intersection B, intersection C. يعني just a number in all of them. Just a number of all of them is here. 2 2 and 2 is here. Okay, يبقى intersection all of them is what? Is 2. Here we have two operation, union and what? And عندي what? Union and intersection. Then we solve the bracket first. B intersection C. B intersection C we called what? 2. Union all element of A, which what? 1 2 3 4. Then 1 2 3 4 union 2 1 2 3 4, not repeated the element again. Then we don't write 2 to I, just 1. I hope ان انتوا تكونوا استفدنا كويس من الريفيجن. يا ريت نحل مره واثنين وثلاثه، وبالتوفيق والنجاح يا رب ان شاء الله. بالتوفيق.